today is a good day. I got the day off. I get to come to the shop and I'm gonna do coilovers on Melvin's car today. So this guy, this is what we doing today. Ooh, what's a boo? Hey, what's a boo? Hey. All right, so he already did the rear coilovers, which is harder than doing the front. Yeah, he didn't get that on video.
Sadly.
No, sadly.
3%.
Oh, 3%. They called me like 30 times that night. I was asleep.
Chicken sandwich.
Chicken sandwiches, bro? All right, I like that. All right, so time to put the coilovers on, man. We still got the regular struts. I put these springs on last time. Obviously, I didn't do a video because I didn't have YouTube at that time. But today we putting on these front BCs. What are you doing?
Well, I'm about to roll the rear fenders.
Oh. Yeah, that bitch is strong though. You gotta be careful.
I mean, you just...
Yeah. So, we're gonna put coilovers on this thing, right? Well, at least the front. But look at this. Bro.
What?
Are we not putting tires on this fucking thing?
Tires on.
Next week?
Get off my tires. Go on, I get tired of my tires. I know they bad.
Bro, yeah. This thing's like, damn. Shit. What?
Max this bitch out already, bro.
Nah, nigga. How the fuck we gonna get it off the lift?
What you mean? Oh, so how much lower should we go then?
I usually leave them like the way that they are and put them in and see what. That's why he'll let some of your homies, bro, help you. Cause
we gotta make it a little bit lower. I don't want that to be shit. Like
it's gonna be sitting lower for sure.
Than the springs in the front?
Yeah.
You sure?
Definitely.
Okay.
But you don't want to max them out yet.
I wasn't gonna max them out. I was just playing, bro.
All right, so I already started on this side, man, but I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a little rundown. There's a 19 nut here. A bolt goes through here, so 17 on this side and 19 on this side. So obviously you get a 19, you hold the nut over here, zip it out on this side. And if you don't have an impact, then obviously it's by hand. This upper control arm has to come off. So it's 17, zip that out, hit it with a hammer, you can see, then it'll come loose. Got that one in there, so now we gotta see how she sits, bro. Too strong, bro, don't see that. See?
Oh my God.
Shit.
Look at your stupid eyes.
Come on.
Yeah, this nigga talk shit. You got shit on your damn shirt.
All right, y'all, time for the moment of truth. See what she gonna look like. Oh, that's okay. So that's the finished product, y'all. You know what I'm saying? That's where he wanted it. That's where we got it. Damn, them wheels are sexy, man. Ugh. I gotta put these on the so steezy, dog. You feel me? Them bitches go hard. I love the cranes wheels. Yo, y'all see me out there? Damn, that boy looking funny as hell. Yeah. All right, man, that pretty much wraps it up, dog. Oh, you forgot about your horsepower stickers, bro. What you gonna do with these? What you gonna do with these, bro? Put the motherfucker right there? Oh, you don't like that? Yeah, I don't like that shit. But it's not white in the background, it's black. So
I know it's black, but I don't know.
The Megan Racing one's in here. Nobody will ever see that.
Nah.
Yeah, bro, that shit'd be hard, bro. Like a drift car, bro. Just put them up here, bro.
This is
put them on the dash. So what?
Ain't no damn drift car.
I see you sliding it though at the compound, though. So act like you ain't slid it.
Right.
Well, you really tried that shit too. I done got my fucking shirt dirty.
Damn. Sorry, bro.
No, it's all good, man. It was well worth it. You know what I'm saying? I believe that wraps it up, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Just a little quick little video, man. Wanted to show and introduce the homie's car. That bitch fire.